I'm Richard Maliaco, one of the meteorologists at the National Weather Service in Glasgow, here to talk about a change in the weather across northeast Montana for this weekend and into the upcoming week. We'll start off by looking at a surface map for your Friday afternoon with a cold front across the state. It'll bring with it isolated showers in the form of rain, as well as some breezy wind conditions across Fort Peck Lake. By the time we head into your Friday night and into your Saturday, there'll already be a deepening trough of low pressure sort of developing across the western and central portions of the state, but eastern Montana will be under the influence of high pressure, so we'll experience light winds as well as dry conditions under sunny skies. By the time Saturday night rolls around, though, cold front will begin to push south, and into your Sunday, that Arctic air mass will be firmly in place, and any rain that begins Saturday night will quickly change over to snow. So to summarize, Friday will be a breezy day with west to northwest winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts to 35 miles per hour, and there is a lake wind advisory in effect for Fort Peck Lake from 2 a.m. until 7 p.m. On Saturday, that will be the last day with near normal temperatures, highs in the upper 40s to low 50s, with not much wind and mostly sunny skies. Perfect weather to sort of finish up any outdoor activities or outdoor projects that you may have before this sharp change in the weather takes place. So now we're looking at a map of expected total precipitation. The steadiest will be Sunday into Sunday night, perhaps early Monday, before becoming more shower-like Monday night as it tapers off. We'll look at a start as rain Sunday evening, which will lead to wet road conditions, which may begin to become snow-covered as it turns over to snow Sunday evening into Sunday night. Total precipitation in terms of water equivalent accumulation looks to be about 1/10 of an inch across most areas, maybe a little bit more in the favored upslope regions of the Little Rocky Mountains. And I want to also emphasize that what you're now looking at is the storm total snowfall accumulation across northeast Montana. I will say that this is also the higher end of what the expectations could be, generally according to an inch most locations, with perhaps 2 to 3 inches in spot locations near the Little Rocky Mountains. There's some uncertainty in the snowfall totals due to the fact that some of this moisture may push out before the coldest air arrives, and so there's some uncertainty there, but certainly this is what you'll want to prepare for as we head into the weekend and then also into next week. So the impacts: wet roadways will become slick and snow-covered Sunday night. Expect those bitterly cold temperatures to affect sort of outdoor plans into next week. Sunday evening, Sunday night, especially as roads begin to become slick and snow-covered, drive carefully, allow extra time to reach your destination. This is the first winter event of the season, so we're not used to driving in snow. And also make sure to have your winter survival kit ready, as well as wear warm layered clothing. You must go outdoors. Just to give you an idea of what we're looking at, Glasgow may and points in the area, northeast Montana, may not even make it to freezing by the time you get into Monday afternoon. For Tuesday morning, single digits, low teens. A few spot locations may make it down to 0 in the deeper valleys if we get some snowpack. And then the recovery for your Tuesday barely making it up into the teens and low 20s. So a sharp change in the weather is on the way. And for the latest forecasts and more information, you can check us out on the web, on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.